Happy morning, guys. CDAC, CCAT 2021 aspirants. The thing is, your city selection window closed now. Re-examination are going to conduct on 13th and 14th of March. As far as CDAC authority is concerned, they have already issued a statement. Everything actually you have done a huge number volume of students were protesting. They were not ready to appear once again. This is the record fifth time. Yes, this is fact. This is the record fifth time CELAC is going to conduct these examinations from 10 January onward. They have done this thing, rescheduling, re-examinations, once again rescheduling, different time, different type of reasons. Rank holders were protesting, but it looks like now this section of students are also accepting the verdict. Might be they also now felt in that way the game is over. Okay, and CDAC is clearly said if you are not ready to reappear once again, we are ready to refund your fees. But the pathetic thing and the miseries are with those genuine students who were genuinely tried for it and they have cracked. Ultimately, they cracked and they were there at the top of the merit list. But now everything goes off. Now they have to appear once again and they have to start from zero. Let's see what happens. But the thing is, I'm just recapitulating a few important points with you. Might be you're knowing that thing. Even then, your re-examination will be on 13 and 14 March, as I already told you, and your ranks will be first set of merit list. That will be your rank list would be published on 26th of March, and this is you're going for this examinations for all the popular PG diploma courses conducted by CDAC. Basically, CDAC is having a reputations of conducting these professional examinations, and after completion of these courses, students generally get placements. Most of the students are getting placements in good IT companies, and they will start your diploma course from 20th of April. Officially, they are showing in that way, and this time the course will be ending on 30th September. Generally, it is 6 months course. Uh, because of this pandemic or this sort of developments, it might be getting late, and they are officially showing 30th September is the last day. No extra application fees to be charged, nothing to be paid. SEDAC already mentioned, so for this re-examination, candidates are not to pay a single penny for that extra. And there are different type of courses, diploma courses. I have shared here some snippets I have added here. And section A, B, C, three sections are there. For different courses, you have to appear for these sections. And topics are already I'm sharing here. These are the topics you have to cover up. This is your curriculum. You are knowing these things. You have already appeared, and this is your fifth time you are going to appear. So these are all old things for you. Objective questions are there in English only, and each section comprising of 50 questions. For each correct answer, you will get 3 marks. For each wrong answers, -1. Yes, 3 marks for correct one. Wrong answers will a penalty of -1 will be deducted from your total marking. And different type of courses offered by CDAC. Some of the popular courses are geoinformatics, advanced computing, data analysis, artificial intelligence, infrastructure system and security, mobile computing. These are all popular courses. I have shown here the snippets. Yeah, for different courses you have to appear for different set of sections. Uh, for A plus B means you have to appear for A and as well as B for certain courses. For certain courses you have to appear three sections simultaneously, A, B, and C. And this is a computer based test, but this time you have to be present there physically, and this will be in offline mode. It means you have to be there at the center, designated center, and you have already probably have made the choice. and hopefully this time it will go smoothly. Hope for the best, guys. Let's hope this time it will be